Welcome back to our Tazer series where we show you how to unlock your light show in your Automotive JL Mini. Here I have my JL Mini and we have the 2021 Jeep Wrangler JL to show you it. So why do you want to unlock this light show? Well, because you can take your lights from looking like this to this. So you're going to start your vehicle. You're going to do your left arrow and cancel to get into your settings. The first one that should pop up should be the light show. To access it, you're going to hold left arrow and press cruise control. Okay, once you click your light show, this is your light show 1. To switch it, you're going to do left arrow and cruise, and you should be on light show 2. So there's 6 pre-programmed light shows and there's 3 that you can customize to make your own. Thanks for watching our Automotive Tazer video. Stay tuned for more. Make sure to like and subscribe.